Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Blender 3.5 and load both source and target objects into the scene. Select the object that contains the shape keys first, then select the target object second. Apply all transforms with Control, plus A to ensure correct scale and rotation on both objects. Make sure both meshes share the same topology or have matching vertex counts for direct transfer. If topology differs, prepare a retopologized target or use a data transfer workflow. Name your objects clearly to avoid confusion. For matching topology, go to Object Data Properties and click the Shape Key Transfer option. Select the source first and the target second when using the transfer operator. For differing topology, add a data transfer modifier to the target and choose vertex data to transfer weights and keys. Bake the result into new shape keys using the Apply button after verifying results. Consider using mesh deform or baking drivers when the target is skinned or attached to a complex rigging system. After transferring, inspect each shape key by sliding the value between 0 and 1. Delete any unused shape keys and rename keys with descriptive names for animation clarity. Test each shape key at several frames and add keyframes to lock values into your animation timeline. If needed, normalize vertex groups and adjust influences using weights of 1, 0 or 0. 0 for full or no influence. Finally, bake any corrective shapes and save a versioned blend file to preserve your work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.